after taking a train ride. Now we're just going to find a metro station to take to our dinner place. And it looks a lot more crowded here compared to like Porto, because there's like a lot of shopping. It's just like a street with like a lot more people. Lisbon is to join this free tour where they bring you on a walking tour to go around like different places. So you can choose like those that probably bring you to like the more historical places, the more touristy places, but the one we chose is a more chill out tour. So she brought us to like different places that are not so touristy, and then we can just tip her like at the end of the walking tour however much that we want. And now we are on our way up to the castle. Eggtart in Portugal. Very nice. It's flaky and it's not so sweet, and it's warm when you bought it.